Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm Dom.
And I'm Tom.
And today we are here in the Pocono Mountains in Pennsylvania.
So we booked an Airbnb here in Pennsylvania, and as you can see, we're in this winter wonderland.
It literally just snowed last night.
And it looks absolutely beautiful around here. Let's go ahead and let's check out this Airbnb.
So we are entering through the ground level. This is where the lockbox is. And we are first greeted with kind of like a game room of the Airbnb. We have a table tennis / ping pong table, pool table.
And as you can see, we got our snowboards over here ready for tomorrow. I really like how it goes with the wood theme down here, and it makes it feel like almost like a log cabin out in the winter.
Yeah. Right now we are heading upstairs to kind of like the main level of the Airbnb.
All right, everybody, welcome to the living room of our Airbnb. As you can see, look at the beautiful view of all the snow that's covered on all the trees and all the ground out here. It looks absolutely amazing. We got a nice fireplace right here to keep you nice and warm. There's a little deer up here. What should we name him?
Gustavo.
Gustavo? Okay, we got Gustavo up there right above the TV. And then we got 3 couches right here. So plenty of room for everybody to sit, chill, and look at the beautiful view.
The living room of the B&B also opens up to a nice deck patio area, which is covered with snow. It's covered with snow. It's about 3 to 4 inches. And look, it has antlers up there too. How cute. And as we wrap around the other side of the deck, and there's a Florida room that's locked. We have to go from the inside.
We're locked out.
All right, and outside of the kitchen area, it's like a little Florida room. So it's like an indoor-outdoor seating type of thing.
I just love how it's like, it really makes you feel like you're immersed out into the outdoors. It makes you feel like you're in the woods. Out in this room really makes you feel like you're one with nature.
And outside of the Florida room, we have the kitchen area, which has a lot of extended countertop space.
Just got your basic dishwasher, sink, nice big fridge and freezer, and then an oven and a stove.
And a coffee maker.
That's one thing that's great about Airbnbs is that you actually get...
They come with kitchens.
Exactly. You get a kitchen with stuff that you can use to make food and save money.
All right, next to the kitchen, we have a little dining area, which is kind of attached to the living room over there. We have a bedroom number 1 with 2 twin beds, dresser, couch, you know, everything you need. And then over here is the master bedroom where Tommy and I will be staying with a king size bed. We have a little table and a bathroom over here, which is a full bathroom. Lastly, we're gonna show you the loft that's upstairs.
All right, everybody, welcome to the loft of our Airbnb. This area is so cool. As there's a full-size bed here, I think it's a full, right?
Yes.
And there's a little lounge chair here that you could sit in. And then look at these views just behind the bed. You can see the woods back here. And actually there was deer running all through here.
There was like 6.
There was like 6 of them just walking right here. So you could get a perfect view here right from your bed. And then as you turn around, there's the beautiful view of the main glass. Imagine getting up out of bed and having this view.
So now that concludes the end of our Airbnb tour. We are headed to Mountain Creek Riding Stables, which is about 20-25 minutes away from here. We're gonna go horseback riding through the woods and snowy trails.
All right, so now we are off to go ride some horses. Our Airbnb is all locked up, and now we're gonna go hop in the car and go ride some horses in the snow. Never rode a horse normally. Now we're gonna be riding it in the snow. So I have no idea what to expect, and I'm kind of nervous. But we'll see when we get there. We're here at the horse check-in. We're gonna be riding on these big boys right in a few minutes. I forgot the GoPro SD card, so I'm just gonna try to record using my phone. Oh, pet the horsey. Go ahead, pet him.
Hi, buddy.
How sweet. He's so cute.
Look at his eyes, are beautiful.
Oh my God. You are so cute. All right, so we've officially been given our horses. I have Mouse here, my guy Mouse. Dom has beautiful Shiloh, the one with the blue eyes that we saw earlier. But we're gonna get on Mouse here and go for a nice ride. Dom is up on Shiloh. Look at her up there. She got up there quick. Wow. Look Look at how beautiful this is. I feel like we're making a little bit of progress. And we have Dom over here making spaghetti. Dom, just how good was the horseback riding?
It was really peaceful.
It was so peaceful. It felt like I was like riding.
In a Hallmark movie.
Yeah, in a Hallmark movie or like Narnia. Yeah, just like when we were going through the snow with all the trees and just the snow blanketing over everything and just the horses going through. My horse Mouse, he actually listened really, really well, and he was really young too. He was about 6 years old.
And my horse Shiloh was very sassy. I would pull on the reins to go left or right, and he would just go.
It was a great, great time. I'll leave the link down below where we went in case you're around the area. It was awesome. It was about a 45-minute ride. We got to just go through a long trail. My hands were a little cold. They didn't really want us to video too much, so I didn't video that much. But yeah, you guys see how beautiful it looked, and it was really a good time. But now we are just making spaghetti for dinner and getting ready for our big day ahead tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Today is day number 2 here in the Poconos. It's a little bit chilly out, but we are going to
The mountain today. It's about 15 minutes away. We are doing snowboarding and skiing.
I'm gonna be snowboarding, Dom's gonna be skiing, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I haven't been in a bit, but I have my own gear. As you guys will see me getting ready on the GoPro. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning here. It's about 30 degrees.
And it's very quiet and peaceful.
Just listen. Nothing. All right, so let's go get ready, get packed up, and let's hit the mountains, baby. All right, gotta get my left boot on. I already got my right boot on. Tighten that up. Smile for the camera. Hey, buddy. I'm getting a good shot of you. Woo! Yeah, Dom. There you go. Control your speed. Let's go, Dom. Woo-hoo-hoo! You're a beast. Actually, yeah, go this way. You're right. You're right. Yo! Yo, you're... Dude, how did you just do that? Look at that view. Beautiful. All right, get ready. As soon as that passes us, we're going up. Ready? Go. You're good? You're good? Thank you. Oh! All right, boo. Talk to the people. Dom is getting to be a pro after fixing the right stuff.
All right, so now I'm catching on, almost mastering skiing on the beginner level because the first time they gave me the wrong boot size.
Yeah, they really did.
A whole size smaller, and it was squeezing my shins.
And now she's literally looking like an expert and like we're gonna go down a better mountain.
I literally thought I was gonna like pop my ankle or something.
She now has the right size and we can get on with skiing and snowboarding and having a lot of fun. And I'm super excited to get this day moving on. We are here at Jack Frost Mountain here in Pennsylvania, and it's really, really nice today. Some fresh snow. This is my first time in like 2 years snowboarding, so I'm a little bit rusty, but it's like riding a bike. Hopefully it's something I'll never forget because I love snowboarding. And here we go, we're getting off the lift here. All right, so that was clean. All right, let's go.
Wave high.
Come on, Don. Wait.
I'm going, take it easy. I hit my head.
We just got done the mountain. Currently walking back to the car because I'm the only one with my own equipment and I have to go pick them up. This mountain closes at 4 p.m. and we have to go over to Big Boulder Mountain. But unfortunately, everybody looks like they're all beat up and done for the day. So they just want to go back. We're going to be making some tacos, playing some games, having fun. So definitely be sure to stick around for that. All right, I will see you guys back at the Airbnb with Dom. All right, we are officially back in the Airbnb. And Dom, how are you feeling?
Sore.
She is sore and tired, and most importantly, we are hungry. Dom is over here cooking us up some tacos. Cue the fancy cooking montage. Go. All right, everyone, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of our little Airbnb, the horse ride, snowboarding, skiing, and etc. This place is super awesome, as you can see. Look at the view right behind us. We had a little bit of a drone accident. I'll play the footage now. Yeah, that was not very smart of me. Again, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here, and we will see you guys next time.
See ya.